If you're currently running Windows 11 on your computer and you would like to set any web browser as your default browser, then I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. Now all you have to do, just simply go ahead and click the Windows icon on your taskbar, and you want to start typing default. Now once you see default, you want to go ahead and click on that, and you will be taken here to the default apps page. Now once you're here, all you have to do is just simply search for the browser that you are using, whichever browser of your choice. That could be Brave, that can be Opera, that can be Firefox, it could be Google Chrome, or even Microsoft Edge. It doesn't matter, right? Now for this tutorial, I'm going to just choose one of those browsers, right? So for example, Firefox here, and I'm going to select Firefox. Now once you do that, all you have to do is just select the option at the top that says set as default. Click on that. Now once you click set as default, you want to ensure that all other file types or link types are also set as default browser. So for example, you see PDF here is also set as the Microsoft Edge. Now you want to go ahead and click on that, and you want to make sure that Firefox is selected, then click set as PDF. You want to go through the list and ensure everything else is set as Firefox, set to default. And once this is done, all you have to do is just go ahead and close out the browser as your default browser. Now guys, I really hope that you found some value here within this video, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and feel free to subscribe to join the community. It's absolutely free, so that you'll never miss out when I release a video just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.